friends, today we will be making the butterfly. As colorful as it is, you can see. Let's see how to make it. So to make the butterfly, we will require a black sheet, a ruler, a pencil and some colors. So let's start our video. First step, to make the butterfly, you have to draw a very light line, a straight line of 4 centimeter. Can you see it's written 4 here? Yeah. So let's draw a straight line, and with this straight line try to make a leaf like structure. Yes, have you done that? Now take a 1 centimeter space from here, or easy to do, take 1 centimeter space from here, draw a straight line very gently because we have to rub all of that, and from this point keep your ruler slant and draw a 7 centimeter line. Okay, just like there you did, let's do it here also. When you have drawn those slant lines, let's mark a point at 2.5 centimeter and draw a 14-inch straight line. So your point will be here, should mark to 7. Is it done? Yes, this is done. Now again measure 1 centimeter and mark one point and draw a very small slant divider. Now in this line make a point at 3.5 centimeter and 1 centimeter apart. 3.5, 3, and middle of it is 3.5. 1 and make again a 1 centimeter. Now what you have to do is you have to make a curve like structure. That is the first fur that we are going to draw of our butterfly. Are you done with that much? Next you have to draw a semicircle that will join it to hair point. Okay. Now what you have to do is from middle of here draw a structure like this and make it round. What you do it right side, let's do it left side also. From middle of here draw a structure like semicircle and at the end of it make a circle like. Now from this point you match these points, right? Good. Have you heard of the poem? Now I am doing the same on the other side also. So I was asking, have you heard the poem on a butterfly? तितली उड़ी उड़ बस में चढ़ी, ड्राइवर ने कहा. Now half of our butterfly is already ready. Only the part that is left is below part. So what we have to do is we from here draw a line going downwards and match it from here and join them. Oh, my butterfly is coming out very beautiful. Again, from the second part, draw a line and match it from here. My butterfly is already ready. All you have to do is make a face and your butterfly is ready. That is left is to make the inner beauty of the butterfly. So rub this part and you can rub these lines as well. To make the inner patterns of the butterfly. So to start with, leave a little space from here and like we did, make a straight line and then do the circles. Do it the same on the left side. Then from here, join it to here. Make it double line. Yes. Now from the end of it, join this part to this part and from there to this part. What you have to do is join this part to this part and from here make a design, right? Last, what you have to do in your butterfly is to draw 1, 2, 3. Do the same on the left side. Is ready. All we need to do is coloring. So we will do the red color here and here. The yellow color here and here. To fill sky blue all the way to here and this. Okay, we'll be adding a little bit of yellow to this part and then green to the remaining part. Fill it. That's one pretty butterfly. Now make these with yellow color. Let's add orange color to our butterfly. So color this part with orange. Part of the butterfly with the brown color and then black marker, fine line all these, only leave these 3. Just overwrite it like this and do lining. This is how a butterfly is looking. Isn't it nice? Wow, very beautiful. So do share your pictures and subscribe to my channel for more such things.